Welcome back to Dystopian Bot Rise, where we explore the mechanical heart of modern industry and the secrets of mass production. Today we journey deep inside a massive facility dedicated to processing banana leaves, transforming nature's simple wrapper into a global commodity. Every single day, dozens of heavy trucks arrive here, carrying tons of raw organic material, harvested from the surrounding tropical fields. The integration of human labor and automated systems ensures that the unloading process is efficient, rapid, and safe for everyone involved. At this stage, the leaves are still raw and covered in the dust of the earth, waiting for their industrial transformation. The journey begins as the conveyor belts roar to life, pulling the organic matter into the heart of the processing machine. Passing through the intake threshold, the leaves leave the chaotic outside world to enter a controlled environment of precision and order. Powerful air jets blast the surface of every leaf, stripping away loose dirt and debris to prepare them for deep cleaning. Inside the pre-wash chamber, a gentle mist hydrates the leaves, loosening the stubborn soil particles that have adhered to the surface. As the water flows over the textured surface, the dull layer of dust vanishes, revealing the vibrant emerald color hidden underneath. Specialized rotating brushes, designed with soft bristles, gently scrub the leaves to ensure deep cleaning without damaging the delicate organic fibers. The leaves are then submerged in an ozone-infused water bath, a critical step that eliminates bacteria and ensures high hygiene standards. Emerging from the tank, the leaves are now pristine and sanitized, ready to face the rigorous quality control protocols ahead. To prevent mold and degradation, powerful industrial fans strip away excess moisture, leaving the surface dry and keeping the leaf fresh. Advanced laser sensors scan every inch of the material, instantly detecting tears, holes, or discoloration that would compromise the final product. Data flows in real-time to the control center, where algorithms decide which leaves meet the premium standards and which are rejected. With lightning speed, pneumatic arms remove any imperfect leaves, ensuring only the highest quality material proceeds to the next phase. The facility operates like a well-oiled machine, with thousands of leaves flowing through the system, like a continuous river of green. Human oversight remains essential, as skilled workers perform a final visual check to catch any subtle defects the machines might miss. The leaves enter a steam tunnel where controlled heat softens their fibers, making them pliable and resistant to cracking during use. Enveloped in clouds of hot steam, the leaves undergo a physical transformation, changing from brittle organic matter to durable wrapping material. Emerging from the heat, the leaves are now incredibly flexible, able to bend and fold without breaking. Perfect for culinary applications. Automated blades descend with surgical precision, slicing away the hard central stem, which is too rigid for packaging or cooking purposes. Nothing goes to waste here. The discarded stems are collected and diverted to be processed into organic fertilizer or animal feed. Robotic suction cups gently lift and stack the processed sheets, creating uniform piles ready for the shaping and cutting machines. For specific clients, heavy hydraulic presses stamp through layers of leaves, creating perfectly uniform circles used for traditional steaming dishes. The excess trim is instantly cleared away, leaving behind rows of identical green discs that meet the exact specifications of the customer. On a parallel line, blades slice the material into large rectangular sheets, designed for wrapping substantial food items or lining trays. The blades are kept razor sharp to ensure a clean cut that seals the fibers, preventing the edges from browning during storage. Quality assurance technicians perform random spot checks with digital calipers, verifying that every batch maintains strict dimensional tolerance and consistency. Before packaging, the finished stacks pass through a final ultraviolet sterilization tunnel, guaranteeing the product is safe for direct food contact. We are now entering the packaging zone, where the organic leaves are sealed within protective barriers to preserve their freshness during transit. Vacuum sealers remove oxygen from the package, significantly extending the shelf life and locking in the natural moisture of the leaves. A heated bar presses down to fuse the plastic layers, creating a hermetic seal that protects the product from external contamination. High-speed inkjet printers mark each package with production codes and expiry dates, providing full traceability for every unit leaving the factory. Automated arms apply branding labels and barcodes, giving the natural product its commercial identity ready for retail shelves and supermarkets. The finished units slide down the final chute, completing their transformation from raw agricultural harvest to a refined consumer product. Heavy-duty robotic arms take over the heavy lifting, precisely arranging the packages into shipping cartons to maximize space and stability. Once filled, the cartons are automatically sealed and labeled for logistics, marking the end of the manufacturing process within the facility. Autonomous guided vehicles silently approach the packing line, lifting the heavy pallets to transport them to the cold storage warehouse. Inside the massive warehouse, the temperature is kept near freezing to suspend the biological aging process of the processed leaves. Robotic cranes navigate the towering shelves, storing the inventory with mathematical precision until it is time for distribution to clients. The logistics center never sleeps, a hive of constant activity where technology manages the flow of goods with superhuman efficiency. Outside, a fleet of refrigerated trucks backs into the loading docks, ready to carry the preserved leaves to distant markets. The cold chain remains unbroken as pallets are swiftly moved from the warehouse into the temperature-controlled environment of the transport trucks. With the cargo loaded and secured, the heavy doors are sealed, marking the final step before the journey to consumers begins. As the sun sets, these trucks disperse across the country, delivering a piece of tropical nature to urban centers and restaurants. Thousands of miles away, a professional chef opens the package, finding the leaves as fresh and green as the day harvested. The industrial process has perfectly preserved the leaf's texture, allowing the chef to create culinary masterpieces with traditional natural wrapping. Even under high heat, the processed leaf holds its integrity, imparting a subtle aroma that enhances the flavor of the food. From the muddy fields to the fine dining table, this journey highlights the incredible logistics behind our modern food supply chain. Back at the facility, the cycle continues without pause, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless demand of the market. This industry represents a bridge between two worlds, the ancient tradition of agriculture and the futuristic precision of automated manufacturing. The mesmerizing rhythm of these machines tells a story of efficiency, where every second is optimized to maximize output and minimize waste. Sustainability is key. The organic waste returns to the earth, nourishing the next generation of crops in a perfect closed loop. As time passes, these facilities evolve, adopting smarter AI and greener technologies to reduce their footprint on the planet. Behind the steel and sensors, human minds constantly monitor and refine the process, ensuring the balance between speed and quality. What started as a local leaf is now a global product, shipped to continents where banana trees could never naturally survive. Each leaf is a masterpiece of nature, now standardized and preserved by science to serve millions of people around the world. The factory also supports a community, providing livelihoods for hundreds of families who depend on this green industrial revolution. Smart energy systems regulate the facility, conserving power when production lines slow down, reflecting a commitment to modern eco-friendly practices. Even during downtime, autonomous maintenance bots patrol the lines, predicting failures before they happen to ensure zero interruption tomorrow. Under the night sky, the factory stands as a silent giant, a monument to the incredible capabilities of modern food processing. The intricate veins of the leaf mirror the complex circuits of the machines, a poetic harmony between biology and technology. We have witnessed the full life cycle, from the chaotic, organic growth of the plantation to the sterile precision of the box. It all begins and ends with nature. We merely borrow these resources and use our ingenuity to extend their useful life. As the sun rises on a new day, the cycle prepares to begin again, feeding the endless appetite of the global supply chain. The human spirit and mechanical endurance combine here every morning, driving the relentless engine of progress and industrial productivity forward. The hum of the motors returns, a symphony of production that resonates through the steel beams and concrete floors of the plant. Thousands more leaves will pass this way today, each one destined to wrap a meal, line a plate, or carry a tradition. In this cathedral of manufacturing, we find a strange beauty in the cold stainless steel and the warm organic green. From washing to sorting, cutting to packing, every step is a chapter in the fascinating story of banana leaf processing. We hope this deep dive has given you a new perspective on the everyday objects and the hidden industries that produce them. If you enjoyed this journey inside the factory, please hit the like button and share this video with fellow technology enthusiasts. Thank you for watching Dystopian Bot Rise. Subscribe now to witness more industrial marvels and the future of automated manufacturing systems.